And a very good afternoon, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Austin Chaney here, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Hurricane Maria. Earlier this morning, Hurricane Maria made landfall on Puerto Rico as a strong Category 4 hurricane. Over the last couple hours, it has weakened a little bit. Pressure's up to 930 millibars and winds have decreased to 140, but still a very strong hurricane. Now, what I want to show you here is actually the last radar image that the radar out of San Juan captured. And here's what I can point out to you. See this ring here of bright orange and red colors? That's what we call the eye wall of the hurricane. Inside the eye wall is where the strongest winds are located. And when the storm made landfall this morning, winds were sustained at 155 miles per hour and were gusting to 180. Let me put that into perspective for you real quick. When Tropical Storm Irma moved through North Georgia, the maximum wind gust here in Athens was 52 miles per hour, and we saw the power outages and damages that caused. Now, think about this. The wind speeds down there right now are like a race car moving around Atlanta Motor Speedway at 180 miles per hour. So just absolute devastation occurring down there. The other thing I'd like to point out is this continuous onshore flow causing heavy rainfall over the mountains of Puerto Rico, and that's going to lead to landslides and flooding. Now, here's what we also want to figure out exactly where this system is going. This is what meteorologists like to call spaghetti plots, and they show where they think the center of the system is going to track. When they're very tightly clustered like they are right now, meteorologists have high confidence of where the storm will be going. So over the next couple of days, Maria will continue off to the northwest before making a turn to the north. But beyond day 5, there's a little bit of uncertainty of where the storm may end up. I don't think it's going to impact Georgia or Florida, but the Outer Banks of North Carolina and points northward might have to be on the lookout down the line. The other thing I want to show you is the intensity forecast, and over the next 24 to 36 hours, Maria will maintain intensity of a Category 4 hurricane. But once it gets up here closer to the northern part of the Bahamas, we'll start to pick up some wind shear, and the system will begin to weaken. So we'll have to determine what's going to happen over the next couple of days, and I'll keep you updated. I'm student meteorologist Austin Chaney. All right.